The Samsung Galaxy A32 5G is a unique phone from Samsung. It's tailor-made for buyers looking for a cheap phone with decent specs. But Samsung also released several other budget A-series phones in April like the A12, A32 4G and A42 5G. The A32 5G or 4G delivers decent specs for a price most consumers can afford. For bargain hunting Samsung fans who don't want to consider a mid-range option like the Galaxy A72 or a discounted Galaxy S21, the Galaxy A32 5G may be the next best thing. You can buy an unlocked version. Currently the A32 5G is only available for T-Mobile, Sprint or Cricket. T-Mobile currently has an offer where you can trade in your current mobile phone to receive a free Galaxy A32 5G plus a free upgrade to the 5G service. Design-wise, it is exactly what you would expect from a budget phone. It comes with fairly thick bezels and a plastic back with Gorilla Glass protection. It may feel a bit wide and clunky in your hand compared to a curved phone. The designers also included a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, a microSD card slot and a 3.5mm headphone jack. As for the display, you won't see the OLED panel, but surprisingly the Galaxy A32 has a 6.5-inch LCD panel with a 60Hz refresh rate and HD resolution. The camera setup itself is good actually. Photographers will have access to a 48MP main shooter with 8MP ultra-wide, a 5MP macro, a 2MP depth and a 13MP selfie cameras. Pictures are sharp, vibrant and rich with vivid colors. The dynamic range is not that bad too. Now let's talk about the processor of this phone. Certainly we can't expect a Snapdragon in this price range. The Galaxy A32 5G sports a MediaTek Dimensity 720 5G chipset, one of the more lightweight processors to support 5G connectivity. The A32 5G will come with Android 11 pre-installed. It won't run as fast as the S21 series, but it does get the job done. Also, you will get consistent security updates for the next few years. So now the question is, do you really want a cheap 5G phone or do you just want the best bang for your buck? For the best value, the Galaxy A32 4G offers a significant upgrade at a similar price. In fact, it's fair to guess that Samsung downgraded the Galaxy A32 5G in most areas just to add 5G support. With the A32 4G version, you are getting 6.45-inch display and 90Hz refresh rate. The resolution is also increased from 720p to 1080p. Most importantly, it used an OLED screen instead of an LCD screen. It comes with double the default storage capacity. The funny thing is, the 4G model has two key camera upgrades. Its main camera has 64MP and the selfie camera has 20MP lens. The main perk for the 5G model is the MediaTek 720 5G chip, which generally performs better in benchmark tests than the 4G model's MediaTek Helio G80. Well, it's weird for Samsung to downgrade their 5G version just to keep the cost down. If you are considering this phone, then I would suggest to go for the 4G version unless you live inside a 5G network tower. Well, that will be all for now. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get daily updates. Till the next time.